Hello everybody. Welcome to another session of learning. Let's learn together. In this session, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. These drop-down lists are very useful when you are collecting data from various people. It allows the user to select from the drop-down list and you get the specific values for what you are looking for. Let's jump to the PC and see how it can be done. Welcome back. I'm on Excel sheet where there is a name given of 3 people and we have to put department in charge name. There is a list given here. Manually a list is there. Somebody may not type the way. For example, somebody wants to type finance, he may do something like that. So when I do further analysis, it becomes very difficult. So I want the specific value of the department, a specific spelling, correct spelling. In that case, I have to create a drop-down list. For creating a drop-down list, select all three cells like here, go to data, then in data tools, select data validation. You will get one dialog box. From any value, allow any value, go to list, then source, select all the items over here. When I click OK, the drop down list is created. So anybody can select the right specific value and he can fill the data. So I'll get a specific value. Now I want that people should be reminded about that you have to select from drop down list. For that, again I'll go to data validation dialog box. Here I have got input message. I may give some title, input, select from drop down list. This is the reminder for the person who is filling this form. And I can also create an alert. If somebody is trying to put a different thing, wrong error, he can also be reminded of selecting the drop down list. I can ask him, I can choose warning or whatever it is. And if I say OK, so what has happened now in this case, I'm reminded of selecting from the drop down list. Here I can select, again I can select a different department. By chance I am trying to put a different spelling and enter. I have been reminded select from drop down list, there is a warning. So I will say yes or no, then I will select some department like recruitment over here. Isn't it very simple? And I hope you have understood. In next video, I'll show you how to create multiple dependent drop down list. This will be also very useful. It is slightly advanced, and please do not miss that video. This is just today I have shown you the basics. Before I end this video, I'll request all of you to like, share and subscribe and push this video to maximum of the audience and to your friends and who are in your group so that they are also benefited. Thank you.